Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben, and as you can tell, we're tie-dyeing today. These are the colors I'm going to be tie-dyeing with: teal, pink, and purple. I'm going to tie-dye 2 t-shirts and a bow. The designs that I'm doing are swirl and crumble, and I'm going to show you how to do those. You might need an adult for this activity. First, put your gloves on. For the crumble pattern, I'm just going to scrunch my t-shirt together. Then you're going to apply your color straight onto the t-shirt. Next, I'm tie-dyeing my bow. For this shirt, I'm going to do the spiral method. Let it sit for 6 to 8 hours or more. Then wash your things.
6 hours later.
Watching me tie-dye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
The camera, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I didn't tell you when to go. But you're ready.
I hope you liked me.
Whenever you're ready.
I hope. What did I say?